Hello, this is Dave from LaserCutz Ltd, and today we wanted to show you how to put together one of our small soap displays, which is the 3-column display. First of all, I'll show you the individual parts. We have 2 side panels, which you can tell has a slightly smaller slot than the dividers. So these are 2 dividers with a slightly longer slot here, and make sure you get the orientation correct as well. We have the back panel, and over to the right we have the mid support, which you can see has got little holes in the bottom. We have the front valance, and we have 2 shelves. So we'll start off to build the display. Just make a little bit of room, and what I normally do is to take the mid support and the 2 dividers and place one of the dividers into the slot, one of the slots of the mid support. Do the same with the second. We'll then take the 2 side panels and place them both into the slots provided, like so. So we should end up with all the tabs at the back, like so. I normally then find it's easier to tip the display up on its back and take one of the shelves and just slot the shelf in, lining up all the slots, and then that will just hopefully just slot straight down into the holes at the back. And then at this point you would need to just put in a couple of pegs to hold that into place. I won't put them all in because you'll get the idea. It'll just take up a bit of time showing you how to put pegs in, which I'm sure you don't need me to do. We then take the second shelf and slot that into place, like so. And then it's easier just to turn the display round to put the back on. And I normally find it's easier to just line it up on one side and just gradually work your way along, pressing the tabs into each hole, and then obviously adds all the pegs to keep the back from falling off. Again, I'll just put a few in just to keep it in place, and then turn the display around, tip it back again, and slot the front valance in place, like so. And there you have it, one display stand ready for use. Thank you for watching.